Come with me to India's tile capital Morbi. Today we visited multiple tile and sanitary showrooms to select materials for our ongoing project. First stop Ceramic City. We shortlisted premium Moroccan tiles for our upcoming sites, which helps the project to look more premium. Then we visited Emser, a globally recognized tile brand represented by Kareena Kapoor. Here we explored export quality collections and finalized the designs for our projects. Final stop, Erros Sanitrade, where we selected premium sanitary products and finishing elements for our projects.